So, Shikha students, today let's discuss what is the maximum and minimum value of sine theta and cos theta. Well, we all know sine theta, sine of angle theta, cos theta, cos of angle theta are basically trigonometric ratios and they are nothing but values. They are just values. If we say sine theta, theta can be anything, it can have any value. Similar with the cos theta. But if we talk particularly about a value of theta, so sine theta will have particular value. For example, sine 0, when theta is 0, is 0. Sine 30 is zero point 0.5. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2, 0.707. Sine 60 is 0.86. Sine 90 is 1. Are you not observing, students, that as theta is changing from 0 degree to 90 degree, the value of sine theta is also increasing. When theta is increasing, sine theta is also increasing from 0 to 1. But the question is, what after that? What after theta becomes more than 90 degree and it becomes 180 degree finally? Let's see. On the other hand, if we talk about cos theta, cos 0 is 1. Why? Because right angle triangle. An interesting thing, students, in this right angle triangle, cos theta is basically adjacent side by hypotenuse, and adjacent side when theta becomes 0, the adjacent side becomes equal to, this h hypotenuse, making the value for cos theta as 1. And as theta is increasing, when theta is increasing, very interesting, students, value of cos theta is decreasing, and the limits are, it's decreasing from 1 to 0. Very interesting. Sine theta, when theta is increasing from 0 to 90, sine theta is also increasing from 0 to 1. But when cos theta is increasing from 0 to 9, when theta is increasing from 0 to 90, the value for cos theta, it's a value. Trigonometric ratio is a value, is decreasing from 1 to 0. Very interesting. Both sine theta and cos theta, are they changing between 1 and 0 only? Or there's something more to it? For that, students, let's take the help of GeoGebra software, my favorite software to understand with illustration. Here we go. Students, you see, in front of you now we have this circle. Here we have a right angle triangle. Now I can increase theta. This is theta is 0. Here the theta is increasing from 0 to 90 degree. So guys, interesting thing. Let's talk about the value for sine theta when theta is 0. When theta is 0, there's no perpendicular. So sine theta is 0. Similarly, students, when theta increases beyond 90 degree and becomes 180, interesting thing, again the perpendicular vanishes. So sine of 180 or sine of pi will also be 0. One more interesting thing, students, here theta is 90, sine 90 is 0. Sine 90 is 1. Why? Because perpendicular becomes equal to radius. Perpendicular is at maximum length. As I increase beyond 90 degree, sine theta value exactly depends upon the magnitude of perpendicular, because hypotenuse here I have taken as the radius of this circle, and that is remaining constant. You see, this black line is the radius, it's remaining constant. So the value for sine theta is only dependent on perpendicular. So guys, interesting thing here, when theta is 90 degree, this perpendicular is maximum, sine 90 is 1, and as I'm increasing theta from 90 to 180, perpendicular is decreasing. So here